I'm also saying the mother is on tape. Now, Smita, let's bring another angle. 2 versus 2. The mother is on tape. Allow me. Now, this is not fair. The mother is on tape. The mother is on tape. The mother is on tape. Please allow me to complete my point. There is not one tape, not 2 tapes. There are 3 tapes, for God's sake, where the Hathras victim's mother says my daughter was strangled, makes no mention, 1 minute, not even of 4 accused. Not even of 4 accused. You can say, now the theory being given around is because of the, issues about social censure associated with rape, the mother underplayed the story of rape and made it a case of strangulation. But having said that, the mother can't change the theory. She said, I was there, of 4 people, because the mother, of 4 people being present, 1 person present. But in the tape, the mother not only makes no mention of rape or sexual assault of any kind, she does not even mention anyone more than 1 accused. I have 3 tapes confirming that. Now, you can't tell me, because we have made up our mind about it, and we want this theory. No, we can't do that.
But when you talk about there was no rape.
No, on the rape issue, I'm saying there are 3 medical reports and the mother's version. You don't believe the mother. You will not believe the mother. You will not believe the medical reports.
When you can understand that
what are you talking about?
Okay, I'll tell you. We can't believe because she.
You can't believe the mother. You won't believe the medical reports. You won't believe AMU.
Because of the social stigma.
What, you can't concoct these narratives.
So same narrative. No, why Anurag Kashyap, that girl who has accused him, that lady, whosoever, whatever her name is, she's coming after 2-3 years. You want to believe her? But you can't.
My simple point is the mother. For God's sake, listen to me. Listen to me. Listen to me here, Yogita. Yogita, 1 minute. Yogita, listen. Okay. Now I'll give you another evidence now. Smita, I also have the written original complaint of the brother. Now, it's a crazy situation where people are saying we won't listen to anything. We will only listen to Priyanka Vadra. The original written complaint signed by the brother, where he says, when my sister was returning from the field, she ran into Sandeep's son Guddu, who attempted to strangle her. He did not mention rape. He did not mention 3 others. So the whole story changes in 7 days. No, 1 minute, Yogita, 1 minute. Yogita, question was to Smita. The question was, there are 3. You must understand all this information I'm giving, and in the middle of that, a Congress middleman turns up and he's caught on tape, and he says to the family that we are going to do jugaad for media, and Priyanka will come. And now this is what you must say before Priyanka. And don't settle for 25 lakhs. You have to ask for 50 lakhs. I also have the brother's original written complaint. And as of this minute, let me tell you, Smita, in a very dangerous turn of events, the entire, the victim's family house, Smita, has been totally taken over by the Bhim army. Nobody is allowed in, out. The family members are in fear. There are all these goon type guys who are standing outside. They are deciding who goes in, goes out. I mean, what is going on? What on earth is going on here? If a wrong story was fed to the country, I think it's time to acknowledge there may have been a mistake.
Who is defining it? It was wrong, Arnav.
Well, I've given you all the evidence. You have decided it's right.
You can cremate the body midnight.
No, you have decided it's right.
You're trying to cover up.
You have decided it's right. Smita is on the debate. Smita and Nupur on one side. Yeah, please.
I don't think anybody in this country wants a cover-up on the Hathras case. Nobody wants a cover-up. In fact, there have been a series of mistakes, and each of those should be unraveled and the guilty should be punished. Whether it is Yogita, whether it is Nupur, whether it is Arnab, or whether it's me,
Yes.
we all want the guilty punished, right? Now the problem is about the forensics. What has happened now in this situation is that there have been so many videos which have come out, so many reports which have come out, that it has totally muddied the situation, whether it is the investigation or the aftermath of that investigation. And I think we are also divided, whether it is politically, whether it
No.
is sociologically, every which way we are divided on this case. So it is absolutely necessary that sunlight is put on this case and the truth comes out, and the politics of this is set aside. If it's Bhim Army there or not, they need to be set aside. If it
They
is
are
the
not set
Congress up
aside.
there, they need to move aside. If it is random BJP,
No.
Congress people, whoever it is, they need to move aside.
Now-
These kind of slogans today, they are saying Akhilesh Yadav Zindabad, Bhim Army Zindabad. Excuse me, a woman was killed and probably raped. According to
One
her
second.
dying declaration, she was
I
raped.
come back to you,
So she was
Smita. Smita,
probably
may I
raped,
ask you?
but
May I ask you, as a
certainly
person who
killed.
always,
So at-
you are as a person prejudiced towards the facts. See, I think what is happening here, and let me be very blunt with you on this, Smita. What is happening here is that a narrative was spun, reverse engineering was down. There was an attempt to implement the narrative on the ground. Please don't forget.